Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Henrietta Aina here, and today I have a very special guest.
Live here with the pro.
So on today's video, we're going to be showing you guys DIY facial masks that you can try to get that good glowing skin,
Natural glow.
Exactly, natural, all natural products, right? So we just finished filming a video for her channel,
Yes,
where we showed how we use Ayurvedic herbs to do like hair masks.
Right now we're deep conditioning.
Exactly. So you can I'll link the video up so you can go ahead and check the video, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel because she has some great content to share with you guys. So I'll also link our Instagram handle so you can follow us on Instagram where all the fun happens, because we share a lot of DIYs and all of that. So yeah, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram channel. So we're going to go right ahead and show you guys what we have in stock for you today. We're going to be doing facial DIYs for you that you can try. You're working with
turmeric. That's the Afrolicious turmeric powder.
Yes.
Okay. These powders are amazing because I use it on my hair, and my hair is bomb, so I know it will be good for my skin.
Of course.
So I'm using turmeric.
Of course. And I'm going to be working with aloe vera powder. Don't worry, you guys cannot see it, but aloe vera powder, right? So I'm going to be working aloe vera, she's working with turmeric, and we're going to show you guys, different face masks that you can try.
Yes.
So who goes first?
We'll go. Okay, I'll go first.
Yes.
So I have my bowl, and I'm just gonna take, and I have my spoon. Can you see the spoon? Yeah. And I'm going to take one tablespoon is fine, right?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon is
One
fine.
tablespoon of turmeric there, and I will be using coconut milk. Yes, and I'll be using, let's see, I'll use 1 tablespoon as well.
Okay.
Just gonna pour it like so.
I want to drink it.
As in, it looks so,
It looks so good.
Just add a little bit. Yes, and lastly, I'm going to be adding an essential oil, which is rosemary, and I'm just gonna put like,
Can I help you hold it?
yes, please. I'm gonna be adding 3 drops of rosemary. That's 1, 2, 3. Mixing it like so. Can you see? Oh, it smells very turmeric.
How does it smell?
Turmeric.
Actually, turmeric has this very strong smell.
Yeah, it's kind
Like
of
it
potent.
smells. Yeah, it smells like something you should put in your food.
I see the consistency of what it looks like. I'm gonna apply it on my neck too, from my face to my neck. So what are you making?
Yes. So let's go ahead and make my teaspoon or
tablespoon.
tablespoon of aloe vera gel, like so.
Aloe vera gel, okay.
Aloe vera powder. I'm sorry.
Like
I'm so used
to aloe vera gel
I'm
for
so
a
used to
natural hair.
aloe vera gel. So aloe vera powder, you take 1 spoon of aloe vera powder. Thank you, and then you pour it into your bowl, like so, and then honey. Honey is actually very good for.
Beautiful humectant.
Yeah, it's actually very good for the skin. Maybe 1, almost 1. But I feel like this is a lot.
Yeah.
And most of it will waste. But
Waste it.
anyways. And then I'm going to add tea tree essential oil. It helps with blemishes. It helps fade dark spots. So 3 here because it's very hot on the face.
So that's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. So we'll just mix it. Mix it well.
Yeah, because it's more musky. If you make it lighter,
Yeah.
it'll be watery.
So it looks really thick and gummy. I'm pretty sure it's because of the honey. So
Mine looks grainy.
yeah, it's turmeric.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of scatters.
Yes.
It's messy.
So this is what it looks like.
This is what mine looks like.
So we're just going to go ahead and apply it on our face.
With our applicator brush. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Ooh, it's cool.
Yeah,
On the
it's
face.
So we'll apply it, and like But why would you say why did you start doing DIY facials?
I did them because I know exactly what I'm putting on my face, and I see results. Like, I love to exfoliate with honey and brown sugar.
Oh,
when I started to do that, it's really good, and your pores just feel your face feels soft, and you feel like your pores just open. Like, it's amazing. And I tried hibiscus actually with your powder and honey as well, and my skin was soft. I was just glowing. That day I actually got compliments like, oh my god,
serious?
I'm telling you, what did this your skin? I'm like, it's Afro-licious. Yeah, I didn't say that, but still that's how I felt in my mind. So I just recently started taking facial DIY seriously.
Okay.
And I think it's a great investment. You should try it.
And even me too. I actually recently just started doing it because like chemical, like there's this product I used to use, right? And everybody, like most people have good things to say about it, but it ruined my face. Yeah. And it's the ordinary AHA, BHA.
Yeah, I've seen that all over my Instagram. The acidic
like I used it and like it's really ruined my face. So I had to stop, and I was like, okay, you know what? Let's just lean towards natural
remedies.
Yes, let's just lean towards natural things for the face. And I recently started doing it, and I've noticed a lot of difference, right? My scarring has reduced, and my face just feels like smoother and.
Thank you.
It really works.
Smoother is what it, and like discoloration and everything. Slowly but surely, everything just becomes even. Like that's what I've noticed.
And I think that's why a lot of people don't use natural DIYs, because they feel like, oh, you don't see results.
No, you see results quickly. Definitely.
Yeah, but it takes time and consistency.
You just have to be patient, and then you're sure of what exactly is going on your face. I think that's the most important thing, because some of these brands and these products that we buy off the shelf, they tell you this is A, but meanwhile something else.
They don't tell you all the things they put in. And so would you say that you prefer DIYs to stop
Definitely. But I feel like it's good to have like a balance.
Yes, I feel that way too. Not just all the time DIYs.
Because DIY be messy. Look at my shirt. We filmed the video and henna has ruined my. Is it henna? Sorry, hibiscus has ruined my shirt. So the disadvantage of DIY is not all DIYs.
Yeah, some of them are quite messy.
Very messy.
But I would say that find the balance. Like for me, all my face masks are DIYs.
Really?
But then I use like store-bought moisturizers, of course, store-bought serums, of course, sunscreen.
Exactly. Yes, so. I even have some face masks, all these mask sheets, like and all those things.
I would probably try mask sheets sometimes.
Yeah, they're nice, but we still don't know what's in there.
Of course.
That's a problem.
So, but would you say you have noticed a difference since you started doing facial DIY?
Yes, I have noticed a significant difference. I will continue to use them maybe twice a week. What do you think is the right amount?
Well, I think it depends on the ingredients you're working with, right? Like turmeric is pretty mild, so you can use turmeric 3 times a week. But hibiscus, because it has like AHA, it's a natural source of AHA, so I would say hibiscus maybe once or twice a week at most. But if you're using things like honey, you can even use honey on your face every day, except you're allergic to it. You can use honey on your face every day. You can use aloe vera.
Can I put it all the way?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can put it all the way. Like I prefer to put. I like to put my face mask on my leg. So last question. What would you say your favorite DIY ingredient is to use on your face?
Honey is my favorite. Honey.
Why did you say honey? I was just about to say honey.
Because honey is babe. Honey is life. Honey is sweet. But honey, I'll say honey and sugar. Because it just even your lips. Yeah. It helps, make it smooth. It gives it one color. I like it. I love it.
Okay, so now that you said honey, I'll probably have to choose something else. So I would say aloe vera gel.
Not the powder.
Not the powder. Like aloe vera gel is really calming. Like if you had a long day in the sun, that burning sensation you tend to have. If you put aloe vera gel on your face, like it just cools your face.
It has this soothing.
Yeah, it has this very soothing effect, and you can use it on burns. You can use it on insect bites.
Really?
You can use it on your hair. Yes.
Yeah, for
you
hair.
can use it as a moisturizer on your skin. I'm serious.
Guys, my favorite product now is aloe vera too. Because you can use it.
You can use it for anything.
Wow.
Okay, so we're going to let this sit
for 15 minutes.
For 15 minutes.
And then we're going to show them our amazing
we'll
results.
come back and show them our face.
Okay.
When we're done, maybe apply our moisturizer too.
Okay then.
So guys, we'll be back. We're back. We've rinsed out the mask from our face. How does your face feel?
My face feels so soft and brighter.
Yeah, and you can actually notice the difference immediately.
I'm telling you.
And mine actually feels like really soft and
soothing.
Yeah, so
I think
DIY is a win. It's a
definitely win. You guys need to try
so
this.
We're just going to go ahead and moisturize our face.
I'm using this aloe vera moisturizer from Miniso.
Oh wow!
Yes,
okay. Looks really good. Looks like aloe vera gel.
Yeah, aloe vera gel is big.
Yeah, it is. So I'm just going to use this vitamin C serum and my son's. It's quite messy. The face feels really good.
Like I don't want to talk to anybody right now because my face is just.
It feels really good. Yes. Our sunscreen is good. You guys, wear your sunscreen.
It's very important.
Do your DIY facials.
Right now.
Drink your water. And mind your business.
I was going to say that. Mind your business.
Mind your
Don't mind
business.
other people's business.
Your skin will glow.
Yeah.
So, are we done?
I think we are done. This is amazing, guys. Make sure you try this, even if it's once a week.
Yeah, once a week, you definitely see results. So, let me know some of your favorite facial DIYs that you've done, and let us also know if you'll be trying
this
one of these recipes that we've done. And if you try it, just come back and leave a comment on what you think about it and how your face felt after you did the face mask. So don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page,
Live Here with the Fro,
and Afrolicious, yes. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel and subscribe to my channel.
And make sure you check out the video we filmed together on.
Yes, I will link it up so that you can see the DIY hair mask video that we did. And yes, if you're looking for where to buy your Ayurvedic herbs, I have it on my online shop at Afrolicious_NG. I'll leave the handle below so you guys can check. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.
Bye guys.